Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant and you are watching my official YouTube channel. In this video, I will give you a very important concept about Adobe Photoshop and which is called the layer mask. And the layer mask we will also use. I will also tell where the layer mask is used. So layer mask is basically a method to remove the background in such a way that we can keep it uh, we are also keeping this background intact, but we are adding something on that, and so that we can see that layer this background has been removed, but actually this is not removed. A layer is added in such a way that this background is hidden, so we can recover this background whenever we want. So let's mm, go to the main topic, which is layer mask, how we apply it. So you can see I have added a picture and I have rasterized it. This is not a smart object, so I have added another layer, and this layer has given a background of white. You can give any sort of background which you want to have in the background. So then what I will do, I will just observe this foreground and background color. This color should be in that way that background should be black and foreground should be white. So we have selected this and we have selected brush tool, and after brush tool we have selected these foreground and background colors. Then we will go to here and we will click here and add a layer mask. So this layer has been added as a layer mask. So what we are going to do, we are applying the brush over it. When we will apply the brush on it, you can see the background has been removing. So this is applied due to brush. We can also change the settings of the brush, like I have selected the soft brush. You can use hard brush, but I will prefer the smart brush in this. So we can use normal mode, and we can use opacity. We can use opacity to 100% and we can reduce it. It will depend on our need. So in this way we are applying this mask and the background is removed and this color is appearing on this image. So let's see the layer mask shape. Here you can see the mask is added here, and the shape is formed like here. So how we can turn this off? We can just right click on here and we can disable this mask. So you can see that the background was removed but still it is present. So we will enable layer mask. So what else we can do? We can just shift this color opposite, and then if we will apply this mask, the mask which we have applied will be removed from it. So in both ways we can remove or reverse the applied mask from where we want. Like we want to remove it from here, so we can just remove it from here. So why we use a layer mask? So to show you, I have added a picture in this project. So what I will do, first of all, I will rasterize the image. What I am going to do, I will right click here and I will convert rasterize the object, rasterize layer. So this layer has been rasterized. So what else I will be doing? I will be applying a gradient here. So we have made a little bit background, and I will turn this layer on and I will click OK. So this picture has been added again, and you can see here is a background and here is a picture. So we will be applying this layer mask. I will convert the transition to 0. Okay. So now I will click on brush, and then I will click on layer mask, and I will start applying from here. So you can see how I am easily merging this picture with the background. So you will work on it and make it more smoother. Here I am just telling you in a very you can say rough method. So you can make whatever you want. You can use it to make design. Like if I have to add a text on it, I can just click on it and it will be added as. And let's make it little bit larger. And in this tool I can how we can play with its color, we can play with this design, and we can make a very beautiful design by using the layer mask. So this was how we can apply a layer mask and how we use this. So this was today's lecture. In the next lecture we will learn more things about Adobe Photoshop. Till then, stay blessed.